Here we talk about versatility in system test, which is very important for excellence in execution. It consists of three components: prioritization, flexibility, and adaptability. In development means to support rapid and iterative development in a changing environment. Especially in software development, agility is possible, needed, and wanted to lead to great products. If the development is agile, the quality assurance and system test have to deal with that and manage it properly. The nature of agile development brings challenges in terms of quality. Changes are inherently risks for quality, and the high pace of development iterations might stress the testing efforts even more. Working in agile projects of complex systems require adaptability to manage the changes of a product and the plan. Next, flexibility, which is the ability to evolve and transform to fit new environments or conditions. Along the way of product development, there might be plenty of reasons for change that requires it. A simple feedback loop should be present at all time. First, observe, which means to have some kind of sense for what is going on in the project and the test team. Then understand and evaluate the situation and think about potential improvements. Then take proper decisions and implement changes. Finally, stabilize it, which means to support and foster the new setting. So the system that tests systems must by itself be improved and tested all the time. And resilience in the end emerges when adaptability and flexibility are balanced. If the system is too loose, it drifts apart and one loses control. If it is too rigid, it gets fractured and less relevant. And prioritization comes hand in hand with flexibility and adaptability. It is a constant effort on a day-to-day basis. It gets increasingly important with the complexity of the system and the agility of the development, and also the volatility of the test tasks and the test environment. The complexity of the system leads to various test trigger and test activities for certain components of the feature that run in parallel. In addition to the already planned generic test trigger, there might come sudden test tasks from different sources. It could come from user reports, project partners, or also the team internally that require change in plans and therefore prioritization. There might be also interrupts from emergencies that have to be handled immediately by proper deprioritization of other tasks. To prioritize correctly, one has to have an overview about the whole product under test and the area of the system test. Also, to enforce deprioritization, a direct control over the resources of the test team is needed. Prioritization of test activities is usually done by the test manager, and it is key for great test managers.